Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want every customer ticket to reach the right person automatically? Let me show you how to set up ticket routing in Zendesk. First, go to Admin Center. Under Objects and Rules, click Triggers. Add a new trigger, set your conditions. For example, ticket form is billing. Then add an action. Assign to group and pick your billing team. For round-robin distribution, go to Groups and enable round-robin assignment. Tickets get distributed evenly among available agents. Want skills-based routing? Create a custom field for issue type. Then build triggers that assign to specific groups based on that field. Test your rules with a few test tickets to make sure everything routes correctly, and that's it. With the right routing setup, tickets reach the right agent faster, cutting response time and keeping customers happy. If you set up ticket routing, let me know what method you use in the comments. See you in the next one.